National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 1:15 p.m. At 10:04 a.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing strong winds to nearly 50 knots from 60 nautical miles west of Wilmette Harbor to 44 nautical miles west of Northerly Island, moving southeast at 30 knots. These strong thunderstorms will be near Wilmette Harbor around 10:40 a.m., Northerly Island around 11:10 a.m., Calumet Harbor around 11:35 a.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZZ-81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. The station will broadcast